welcome to TechSpeed YouTube channel. In this video, I'll give you top 3 Lightroom green presets for absolutely free. So watch the video till the end and collect the 2 passwords that will appear on top right corner of the screen. You will see the password like a card like this. Also, you can watch this video in the cards for download and import the preset into your Lightroom mobile. Okay, I will show you how to edit snow green preset in this video. If you need the other 2 preset, watch the entire video and get the password to download them. So let's get started. Exposure to 0.92. Contrast -42, highlights -100, shadow +70, whites -36, blacks +100. Then select curve. Set your brightness curve like this. Do not change red and green curve. Then go to the blue curve and adjust it like this. Set temperature to +10. Tint +8, vibrance +8, saturation -50. Then select color grading option. Adjust shadows, hue to 178, saturation into 6. Go to the blending and set it to 100. Balance +11. And do not change any of midtones, highlights and global color grading options. After that, select this color circle option and select red color. Adjust hue to +32, saturations -10, luminance 0. Then go to the orange, set hue to -16, saturations -25, luminance +35. Okay, then go to the yellow color and set saturation -50, luminance to +35. Then select most important green color, adjust hue to +50 and saturations -70, luminous -80. Go to the light blue and adjust hue to +60, saturations to -50, luminous to -50. Then select dark blue and adjust hue to -10, saturations to -60, luminous 0. Don't change purple and violet color settings. Texture +15, clarity -10, days to +30, sorry, I have made some mistake, so go back to the clarity and set it to -14, texture to +21. Okay, now vignette to -9 and midpoint 0, and do not change any of other. Sharpening +7, radius and details does not change. Noise reduction to +15, details to +50, contrast +1, color noise reduction +20. Okay, now you have successfully edited snow green preset. Now you can copy these settings and paste into your other images. Here I bring some examples how that snow green preset works on your images. Sometimes you have to adjust exposure and contrast little bit for better looking photos. This is my second preset. This is autumn green preset. This preset will give you kind of orange color to your images. If you want this kind of saturated green color to your images, you can easily use this preset to get more saturated green. I think so you have catched the password in the video, so download them and enjoy. If you have any special request for preset, you can put a comment in the comment section. And thanks for the watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. See you in next video. To change your